Yeah, excitement. Anyway, I'm not going to be going too much details in it. Grapefruit. Who know that? You know what I mean? A lot of people may say, Chef Ricardo, where you get these ideas from? But you know what happened? You have to take some time out to do some research, and research is very important, all right? So basically, I know I've been doing a lot of video back in the days about grapefruit, you know what I mean, detoxing water with grapefruit, and you know what I mean, losing weight and all these things. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you something, guys, say that, you see, grapefruit, don't take it too lightly. Give it a try and give it a go. Many of us body, all of us body, I must say, yeah, is different. Because my body can drink any amount of grapefruit, nothing happened to me. And probably you drink it and, you know what I mean, something happen, reaction and all these things. You're allergic to grapefruit and all these things. So if you're allergic to grapefruit, put it one side. If you're not, you can give it a try at home for detoxing your body and cleanse it. And it also can help you to lose some weight. And as I said, guys, we always can do research. It is very important for us to do some research. Type in, what's the benefit of grapefruit? You know what happened? Not only that, talk to Google. What's the benefit of grapefruit, Google? And Google can tell us what's going on. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be doing a lovely drink from it today, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do at home to detox your body and cleanse out the immune system and all these things. This is very important. You don't need to use the organic honey, no sugar, no oil, no butter, no nothing. No, you know what I mean? It's natural ingredients which you need to use at home. The natural ingredients, natural fruits, natural these things is very good for our immune system and our immune body. You know what I mean? Cleanse out, you know what I mean? Especially if you're a person who's doing a lot of exercising, running, jogging, and all these things. Make this grapefruit juice, drink it first thing on an empty stomach or at night before you start to sleep. All right? So I'm going to be showing you how to do this one. So enjoy it, and please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. My name is Chef Ricardo, and we always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. I love every one of you guys, and remember, yeah, subscribe and go on, keep writing the same thing when you're writing. You love this grapefruit juice, yeah? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with a lot more recipes and different ideas. So enjoy this recipe as you sit down. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I said, we're going to making this lovely drink. You know what I mean? So if you wake up early in the morning and, you know what I mean, the first thing, normally, most people when they wake up early in the morning, you know, they want to do some exercise and, you know what I mean, do some running and jogging. So this is a drink which you can also make and bring it with you if you're going to jog, or, you know what I mean, if you want to come back and drink it, make it go and chill in the fridge. So first thing is grapefruit. Get yourself a orange grapefruit or white grapefruit, whatever matter kind of grapefruit you have at home. This is a recipe for you, all right? Remove the skin from the grapefruit. Just be careful when you're using a knife. Don't cut yourself. Health and safety, all right? If you notice, I'm using everything on the board. Nice one. So once you remove the skin from the grapefruit, cut it up into some small pieces and put it straight inside of your Ninja blender. Whatever kind of blender you have at home, just use it, guys, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Don't matter who you are. As I said before, in a certain kind of my video, rich, poor, middle class, you guys can do this, all right? So I'm going to use roughly 1.5 grapefruit, just to make you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And this one is the orange one. It's have some seeds inside of it. So if you want to, you can simply remove the seeds, but you know what I mean? You can blend the seeds, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of vitamins in the seed. So, because I'm going to be running through my strainer. So, as you can see what I'm doing. Lovely and nice. Yeah. And now, what I'm going to do is get half of a lemon. Or if you got some lime, you can use lime. And I'm going to put it straight inside of it. I'm going to get a lovely chunk of piece of a ginger, because I love ginger. If you notice, most of my drinks them have ginger. Why? Because ginger, a lot of people have been using ginger from in ancient days, you know what I mean, from in 18s. Millions of years, people have been using ginger for healing body, for so many different things. Do some research and you will see. All right, so we have the ginger inside of it. All I'm going to do is put roughly about half cups of water to help to free up the blender. And not only that, you can also put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, where she's gonna be working out to a cork. So right there, lovely and nice. Guys, I'm telling you, millions of years people been using these ingredients, and I'm still using them up today. So, you know what I mean, why not? We can do the same thing. This is the next generation, you know what I mean? So we have to do what's gone in the past, continue with the work, and push it on, you know what I mean? Now, I'm just gonna simply blend this for 3 to 4 seconds. Depends upon the kind of blender you have at home. Look at this now. That is lovely. All right. So basically, it's two things with this drink, guys, honestly. And as I said, I removed the skin, all right, earlier. So what I was gonna plan to do is to run it through my strainer, but it looks so good, you don't even need to run it through the strainer. So you can just drink it as it is at the moment, all right? Because all of the everything was half of the skin, everything was just off of it. So it is perfect. So what you can do, you just make it, and as you can see it right here for yourself, exactly what's going on. That is beautiful and fantastic, guys. Look at that. That is just lovely. Drink this in after you do your, you know what I mean, your normal routine in the morning, or, you know what I mean, if you want to drink it first thing, and then, you know what I mean, you can do your routine. All right, guys, it's a very important drink also. And as I say, you know what I mean, when all you have to do is just give it a shake, you know what I mean, every time you're going to be drinking it, because probably I put on is a bit much liquid, but that's fine, you know what I mean, it's just split. It's not a smooth drink, it's just a healthy weight loss drink. And grapefruit, a lot of people doesn't know, but do your research and you can see exactly what's going on. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming in, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more.